This is Animal Radio Network.
We're with Dr. Rubenstein. Where are we calling you today? You're in East Coast. I feel East Coast.
Yeah, we're in New York City, the Big Apple.
New York City?
This is a studio, the Animal Radio Studio. As you can see, we have a list up here of some of our current advertisers, and they put me over here in this little corner. I don't have much space, as you can see. I'll try to be as organized as I can.
They actually put a mirror in to make it look bigger.
Make it look bigger, yeah. Cool. Yeah, and then over here is our prize closet. It's huge. It's full of stuff. There is all kinds of great stuff, some neat stuff, neat giveaways. It's expanding. We need to get a new one or knock down a wall or something. We're running out of room. Okay, come on out this way. This is Boog. This is the studio cat. This is the boss. He runs the studio. Yeah, he keeps an eye on us. He stays in here all the time while we're working to make sure we're doing our job.
He gets his own chair and everything?
He gets his own chair, yeah. This is the boss's chair. Nice okay, out here, this is the entrance to our cattery. There are currently cats out there right now. This is a neat little tube that just opens through. It is in a window. I know it looks like it's suspended in midair, but it actually is in a window. See, I can go and knock on it. And this tube allows the cats to go in and out to the cattery. We'll have to show you a better view of that on the outside. We have someone else on the other Steps for Pets condo. She's a big girl. She kind of overflows the little space, but that's her favorite space. That's the little uh-oh. You'll always find little uh-oh in there in the Steps for Pets condo. She loves that. Hi, uh-oh. Hi. I brought you to the studio yard. There we have a nice little break area. That's UPS.
Oh, that's the UPS break area?
Yeah.
Oh, that's very nice.
Yeah, because they're here every day. And over here we have the cattery. Behind the cattery is the broadcast vehicle.
It's a pretty big broadcast vehicle.
Say hi to the camera.
How many cats do you have here at the...
We have 4, and you've seen them all now.
Summer now, the kids are out there playing in the parks and well, they're just about everywhere these days. And I am just reading this press release that you sent me about